This is just an introductory class, okay, as I said,
Okay.
and I'm going to discuss the introductory topic only. So, Vedic Master School is in doing this from last 10, 12 years, and they
Mm.
have trained more than 10,000 students till now. And to talk about me, my name is Prince Jha, and I will be your teacher for throughout the session. And I hope you will going to like. I'm also in the teaching from last, I think, 7, 8 years, and doing it very passionately because of my so much interest. I'm in this field. By profession, I'm a digital marketer, and most of the people in my network know me as a digital marketer only. I'm
Okay.
the Vedic Math teacher for the student only. So here I will discuss few things and then straight come back to the topic that is I already told you. So first I will tell you what is the meaning of Vedic and what is the meaning of mathematics. We already aware with the mathematics, right?
Yeah.
Only thing is Vedic. So Vedic is not something where we are going to discuss about Veda or not. This is actually a Sanskrit word which also meaning is knowledge. Okay. So Vedic means knowledge. If somebody will going to ask you what is Vedic math, you can say that knowledge about mathematics. Vedic math is knowledge about mathematics, and
Mm.
that is the mental math. Why I am telling you all this? Because whenever you are going to opt for the any alternative method for taking the exam, you should know what are the history or what are the meaning of that particular thing. So if somebody will going to ask you what is Vedic math, that is a knowledge about mathematics. Okay. Let's
Yes.
discuss why this is popular. This is popular because of this is the mental mathematics. And when it comes to mental mathematics, obviously it will help you in terms of time, in terms of accuracy, right? Or you
Yes.
can verify because you are quick in that. Suppose that there is a question, I would say 28 into 30. So the answer is 896. I got the answer quickly, but maybe I will be wrong. But Chuki, we are very fast, so we can verify it very easily, right? Instead
Mm.
of taking anybody, we're going to take this calculation in 30 seconds. And if I can do it in 5 seconds, then in 10 seconds, I can verify and I can be confirmed that this is the correct answer, right?
Yes.
If you
Yes.
are a normal student, it will take you 45 seconds. So that is the kind of speed you will get here, and you can do it very easily. I will
Mm.
show you all these steps as well. I'm skipping this history and application on these things. Just you can see that what are the applications. These are the topics like arithmetic computation. We are going to discuss number system, square, cube, square root multiplication, algebraic operation, whatever the algebra comes under, which you are going to discuss here, factorization, quadratic equation, not only quadratic equation, all the kind of equation like higher order linear equation, everything. Then it will come partial fraction,
Mm.
calculus, coordinate geometry. So there are a lot of things which we are going to discuss here. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the sutras. Basically, when it comes to Vedic math, you will find some of the sutra name in Sanskrit, but I gave you the name in English because
Mm.
you are in competitive exam aspirants. This levels is not going to ask you, right? So only focus on the application part. That
Mm.
will going to help you more now.
Oh.
Coming to the class outline directly. So here I will teach you and I will inform you which topic and which method which we are going to use now. So
Mm.
suppose that we are going to discuss two-digit multiplication. I took
Mm.
only basic topic, so you will have idea that how we can manipulate the calculation easy.
Yeah.
So in this way, we are going to use Urdhva method.
Oh.
With the method name is Urdhva means vertical and crosswise. That is actually exact meaning, vertical and crosswise. So suppose that if I'm going to ask you 43 multiply with 57, tell me the answer.
2,451.
2400.
51.
Can you show me how you done the calculation? Notebook.
I think it's too bright. I've done it in
Yes.
like the basic man. Like I multiplied the 7 with 43, brought it down, then 5 with 43.
Now look at this. I'm storing your information here. 2451, and that is exactly correct. Now look at this. You will get it very soon. So how this is work? Because when you are going to follow the multiple steps, it will take time, right? So I'm going to reduce it into a three steps only: vertical, cross, and vertical. First step, second step, and third. When I will going to teach you this actual topic in the regular class, I will give you the reason behind all these graphs. Okay, so this graph is what? Nothing but it will give you the direction how to do the multiplication. Means
Mm.
you have to do multiplication vertical. That is the only meaning of this. So you are going to multiply 3 and 7. That is the same like the
Mm.
previous method. 7 3 is
21.
21. I'm writing 1 and 2 is carry over. Next step is what? Cross. So in cross, we have a two steps: vertical, cross and cross. So first step, plus second step. I said plus means what? Two steps will be going to multiply and then it will get added. So 4 7 ja 28 plus 5 3 ja 50. If you are going to add, this will become 43 and 43 plus 2 45. Now our carryover is now 4. So this step I completed. This step I also completed. Now we are in the last step. And the last step is similar to the first step. Vertical line here also, and here also we have a vertical line. But the
One
difference
second.
is here we are
What
going
did
to
you
do.
do with the cross? What did you do with 43?
Tell me again.
What did you do with 43?
We are not doing with 43. Actually, just look at this once again. I'm telling you. First step is what? Look, first of all, I would let you why we are doing the vertical. First, understand it why we are doing it. What does it mean by multiplication? Do you know what is it? The meaning of multiplication?
Yeah, like
Basic. Why we are doing the multiplication?
if we write 43 57 times and add it, like what will be the number?
That would be the number. Means if you are going to add 43, 57 times, you will get the number that you can do it here, right? But this actually, when you are doing the multiplication, the thing is you will going to multiply this 7 with each of the number,
Yeah.
this 5 with each of the number. Same you can say that with this number as well. 43 will going to multiply with each of the next number, multiplier and multiplication. So 4 will going to multiply with each of the number. If any number you will miss, then your answer is wrong. And this you have to be ensured in whatever the method you will going to follow. Like in basic method, what you did? You started with 7 and 3, then you did 7 into 4. Now in the next step, you will do 5 into 3 and 5 into 4, right?
Yes.
We are doing it because we wanted to multiply each and every number with their corresponding number.
Yeah.
And when it is completed, we said, okay, now done, just add it and we got the answer. Similarly, here we are also going to do the same. We will start with 7. So 7 3 ja 21. That is the reason we have a vertical line. This says the how to do the multiplication. So 21, 1 is there, 2 is carry over.
Yes.
Right. Next, if we done the 7 with 3, so now we are going to do with 7 with 4. And because this is the second step, we are going to multiply 5 with 3 as well. Okay. So 7 4 ja 28 plus 5 3 ja 28 plus 15.
43.
43 plus 2.
46. 45.
45. So this is the number 5 and carry over 4 now.
4.
Next step is what? Next step is vertical line. And if you think logically, just look at this. If you can visualize, just visualize it. First step you did 7 into. In second step, what you did? 7 into 4. And you also did 5 into 3. So what is the number remaining? Only 5 and 4 we have to multiply. That is the only number which is remaining. So obviously that is the reason we have a vertical line. This vertical line says the same. But you are a graduate student, so you can visualize it easily. But that is not possible for 3, 4 or 5 classes. And any subject is for everyone. So he will going to follow this method. You can visualize the answer. So 5 4 are 20, 20 plus 4. So the answer is 2 4 5 1. Same answer. You got here. We also got the same one. Now, if you are going to do the practice of it, you can get the answer very quickly in just a single line, and it will give you certainly give you some kind of advantage in terms of calculus. Now, in the mathematics, if you do the quantitative aptitude, okay, quantitative aptitude, 80% part is multiplication. If you do the square, suppose that you are going to multiply 48 into 48. This is actually what? This is 48 square. So to find out this 48 square, you will have to multiply with this same number. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But we can do this very easily here. Even for any square, like if 96 square. What is the answer? 9204 or 9216. You can do any number like 88 square, I can say. The number is 7744. Look at this. This is not limited to only between 100. It will be any number. Like 407 is what? How big this number is, and still I'm getting it very easily.
Yes.
So kind of a speed you will get it in Vedic math because it will deal with the different kind of number. And because you are in 12th class, you are in kind of aptitude, you are going to give the GRD kind of exam where you need a good calculation habit. It will give you a little extra compared with the regular multiplication technique. So let's discuss one more problem to give you more clarity over the process. So the number is, this time I'm taking 62 and we are going to multiply this 43. Okay. Now tell me the first step.
Vertical.
Yes.
Cross.
2 3 ja.
Then 18 plus 8 will be 20. 18 plus 8, 26.
Good.
So 6
to
is
carry
there.
over.
2 is carried over.
Next.
Then 24 plus 2, that's 26.
So this is the answer.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Right. Now, if you are going to do the practice, at least you do 10, 20 questions today only. If you are going to do it, you will visualize the number in your mind itself. Now, suppose that you have answer in your on this screen right now. Okay, but still visualize it. You don't need to use the pen and paper only. Use the mind. 2 into 3, 6. No
Yeah.
carryover. Just store 6 in your mind. That is the first digit. That will not going to change. Now, next step is what? 18 plus 8, 26. 6 is one again there. So we have an answer finally double 6 and 2 is carry over. 4, 6, 6 for the 24 and plus 2, 26. So what is the final answer? 266. We got it in your mind, in our mind only. And these multiplication are not so easy. I took 6, 2, 4, 3. That is a complete big number. I'm not giving you this kind of number that you can do it easily. 1, 2, 3. No. We are dealing with a bigger number.
Yes.
And still we can do it very easily. And now, if you can do it mentally, certainly it will improve your lot of speed. Okay. And this is not the only method in Vedic math. In this mathematical calculation, we will teach you 9 method of multiplication. Multiplication you will become so easy that you can do the calculation of any number very fast. It will look like you have remembered the value. Let's take one more example and then we will move for the next topic. 9, 4 multiply with 7, 8.
So 32, 3 carries over, 2 over here. Then cross 9, 8, 72 plus 28, 100. Right?
What?
100. So
plus 3.
100 plus 3, 103.
Carry over.
So we put only one number down then.
Always. Only unit place value.
Then 10 is there. Now 9 7s are 63. So
63 plus 10.
Only one
7,
number.
3.
Yeah.
Only one number. Always only one number. Okay. I have various other methods to do this calculation, but because this is the first class, you will get confused with various steps. Otherwise, you can get the answer quick. Suppose one of the difficult questions when it comes to two-digit multiplication is this kind of number, right? When the unit place is 9, we will find it more intriguing. We find it, oh, this is very high. Now try it. You try this and I will give you the very useful shortcut. Using the same method, right?
9 9 is 81. So 4 and 1. 9 3 is no. Oh, wait, what did I do?
54 is the correct answer. 9 6 is 54 plus
54 plus 9, 27.
Yes, add it.
That would be 81.
81 plus carry over 8. Now carry over 1.
Oh wait, I'm confused. Can we do this once more?
Let's start. What is the first number? 9 9 is
81. Yeah.
1. Carry over 8. I'm writing the steps here so you can visualize easily. We have done with this. Now 9 6 is 54 plus
27.
9 3 is 27. Answer is what? 81. You said 81. 81 plus 8?
88. 89.
89. 9 is there. 8 is again carry over. Next is what? Last step?
So 6 plus 18.
18 plus 8?
Plus 26.
This is the answer. I told you when you are going to take the number like this, it will become a different, right? I gave you intentionally that this kind of number is, I will going to use the second method. And this method is you can apply anywhere when you find the unit place value 9, because it will trigger in your mind that unit place value is 9. It means I have to follow this method. That is the only trigger point you have to remember in your mind. Because multiplying with any this kind of number like 39, 69, 69, 49 or 98, 99 kind of number, you will find always difficult. So how to deal with this kind of number? Look, there are a lot of variants of this question. Like maybe sometimes 69 into 38, right? Sometimes it will be 69 into, I would say 27. So only 1 9 are there. Sometimes you will fail this kind of question as well, where both number are 9, similar to this, right? Sometimes you will get 38 into 39, this kind of number as well. So number will change, the process will remain same. I'm writing here 69 and 39. This is the question, and we are multiplying it. Now, think logically. If I'm going to ask you 40, 70 into 40, what is the answer?
2800.
This number are bigger than 69, and this number is bigger than 39. But still you got the correct answer, and very fast. Why? This number are smaller than that. And why you are taking too much of time? We are taking too much of time because in this question, we don't able to visualize the answer. Here we visualize our question that this is actually 0 and 0, so we can eliminate it. And 7 4 are 28 and double 0, and that is the reason we got the answer quickly. Right? Now, if our mind know about this pattern, why we are not going to use this one? So just add plus 1 and add plus 1. This is in your mind only. So it will become 70. This will become a 40. Now, when it will become a 70 and this will become a 40, then you know that what is the answer?
2800.
2800. Now, to balance it out, we have to subtract the value. What we have to subtract? That is the only key. What you have to subtract?
Minus.
Yes, tell me. Any idea? Just tell me.
And I feel like it's minus 2, but then it'll be wrong, I think.
No, just tell me.
-2.
No. Most of the people tell me the same answer. Look, I will tell you. You will going to subtract -2 when you have to do the subtraction. Suppose there is a number, same number. I am taking 29 and adding 19. And if you are going to add +1 and +1, so it will become 30 and this will become 20. So 20 plus 30 is 50. And now -2, you will get 48. If you are going to do the same here, 9 plus 9, 18, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So this is 48, this is 48. We got the answer. So whatever you said, that is applicable only when this is addition. But in the same question, I took this number smaller because you can understand it easily. This is the bigger number. I'm doing the same multiplication in with this number, 29 into 19. So do it multiplication, you know this, vertical cross vertical. Tell me the answer. 29 into 18.
29 into 18. 1 second. Okay. 9 is 72. So 2 is down here. 7.
Yes.
Then cross. 8 to the 16 plus 9. I mean 19, 25. 25 plus 7 is 32.
25? Not 25. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. Not 25.
Oh, I was doing 29 into 18. Sorry. 9 is 81. 9 to the 18 plus 9, that is 27. 27 plus 8 would be
35.
35.
Because your addition is little slow, I think.
Sorry?
You have to do the. I think your addition is little slow.
A little bit.
But it means your subtraction will little more slow. If your addition is slow, you will struggle with the subtraction as well. Only one thing you can help. It will help you whenever you are in the free time. Just try to count the number in opposite direction. It will help you in addition and subtraction. Like I'm telling you, 100, 98, 99, 97, 96, 95, 95, 94, 93. If you are going to go into this flow with same kind of speed, you can start from any number like 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. If this is the kind of speed you have in your mind, then you will going to make the addition and subtraction very fast. This is the mental. Tell me the next step. We have a carry over 3. So 2 into 1 is?
2, so 5.
So the answer is 550. Now, whatever the operation we have done here, we are going to do here as well. So if you are going to add +1, this will become 30. +1, this will become a 20. And now tell me, 30 into 20 is 600. Yes. You said subtract -2. So I'm going to subtract -2. The answer is what? 598. But our actual answer is what?
551.
551. So obviously this is not the case. Yes. Now I will tell you what is we have to do. You have to add this 29 and this 20. You may be asking what 29 and 20. Second option is
that's the difference.
You can add this 19 plus 30. Whatever you want to do. You can do the crosswise addition of the value like 29, 19 plus 30, or you can do 29 plus 20. In both cases, you get 49. Subtract 49 and you will get the exact answer, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is the step-by-step process. But how you are going to do it mentally? I will show you that. But first, get the answer. Here, what we have to subtract? 69 plus 40. Tell me 69 plus 40 is what?
69 plus 40.
This 69 and this 40.
109.
We have done the same thing here as well. 29 plus 20. Yeah. Crosswise addition.
Yeah.
Or you can do 39 plus 70. Whatever you want to,
100.
You can do it. 109.
9.
If you are going to subtract it, you get the same number. 10 minus 9. And now look, subtraction in our process is very easy. I will teach you, but right now we are focusing on multiplication. So 10 minus 9 is 1. This is 9. This will become 7 minus 1, that is 6. And this is 2. So answer is 2691, which we can write down here, 269. So we got the answer. But entire process took a lot of time because I explained you each and every step. Now, look at this. What is the actual process? How it will work? I will show you. I will show you here only, so you can correlate and you can note it down. You can make a note of it. So I will take next example. That can be any number like 89 into 69 or 59. Okay. Now, in my mind, what I am thinking, this is actually 90, and this is actually, so we know that 9 6 are 5400. This is in my mind only. I am getting 54 in just a fraction of second. Okay. Yes. Now what we have to subtract? This 59 and plus 90. 59 plus 90 is 144, 149. And if you are going to subtract 149, so obviously we will get 51 first number and subtract 200 from there, so it will become 52. So this is the answer, 5251.
Yeah.
Get my point? So all these things comes in only in my mind. I'm only taking time when we are doing the subtraction. So if this is 89, if this is a 60, I have in my mind that 5400 is the near about number. Now we have to reach out to the exact number. So we are going to add 59 plus same value. Look at this, how my mind is going to add. 59 plus 90, increasing value of this. So 59 plus 90 is 149. I'm going to subtract 54 minus 5400 minus 149. And if you are going to change your mind, you will get the subtraction very fast, like I am doing. So what I am doing here, our number was 5400, and we have to subtract 149. Now,
So 100
in
moves, then
Vedic,
49.
which you know that if the number will going to increase by 100, it will decrease the 200 value. So this 52, because this is more than 100, so this 54 will become a 5200. 52, that's fixed, right? Now only difference is what is going to happen with this double zero, what will going to remain here. So because in the next 100, we have 49, so 51 is the remaining number. Because this one is going to subtract, so this will become 53 and 100 minus 49. So this is, we got 5 to 5. And this is the, I'm writing directly 5 to. Now, if you wanted to write down anything, you can write it down. So this is the example. Same example I did. This is a method, we can say the method 2. Okay. Now this is the same example 2 of method 2. And this is something you gave me the wrong answer. So I explain you the addition. If you wanted to write down, just write down, or we can. So now you have a little bit idea about how this calculation will going to interact with each other. If you are going to do the addition, it doesn't mean you are going to do the addition. If you are going to do multiplication, it doesn't mean you are going to stick yourself with the multiplication. You will going to do the subtraction sometimes. You will going to do addition sometimes. You will going to do division sometimes. Okay. So calculation is very helpful in this regard. I can show you lot of other example. When I already show you the square, right? Like I gave you the idea about how to find the square of numbers. So suppose everybody know the 25 square. What is 25 square?
625.
Very easy. But what about 75 square? 525. So 5, 625. What is 35 square? 1, 2, 2. This is very easy. I will just show you how easy it is. You know that 525 square, right? If I'm going to ask you 5 square, what is the 5 square? Can you notice in every number we have a 25? Because at unit place, every number have a 5. So in square, when we are going to discuss the square, we will show you a lot of things. In that, you will going to see that 2, 3 and 7, 8 will never be a number at unit place. 2, 3, 7, 8 never be at the unit place of any square. You can find any square and you will see that 2, 3, 7, 8 is not there. Okay. So only the remaining number, whatever the remaining number is, that will be on the square unit place. So now, there I will also teach you what will be when we are going to square with 1, or if the unit place value is 1, what will be the end with 2, what will be the end with. In that case, you will know that if the number is 5, unit place value is 5, that must be end with 25. That is the rule. Okay. So if somebody will going to ask you the number 45 square, now you know that this is the 5. So this number must be end with 5. Any confusion in that? Next. This is 4. Second value is what? 4. So we have already done with 5. Now we are going to focus on 4. So 4 is a number which you have to multiply with the bigger value, just consecutive bigger number. What is the bigger number of 4? 5. Consecutive, just bigger number of the 4. So 4 into 5 is what? 20. So answer is what? 2025. Now, if you are going to compare this, you will get the same answer. 3 4 ja 12. 7 8 ja 56. 2 3 ja 6. And this is 0. 0 into 2. 0. Got it? So in this way, you can find the square very easily. But you have one question. Every number is in with 5. What if the number is not in with 5? I already saw you in that previous example where there is no any 5. Right? 198, 96, 48. So there is alternate way where we are going to discuss all that kind of number, and we will going to do it very easily.